I'm frequently asked by clients, what is the right insurance to get? Now, usually this is a question that's asked after an automobile accident, but it's always something to think about before an accident takes place, or hopefully before the next accident takes place is the right way of saying it. Typically what you need to think about is not only your own coverage, but the coverage of the person that might hit you. This is why it's important to get something called underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. These are two very different types of coverage, and I'll discuss each of them now. Uninsured coverage is when you're hit by an individual without any insurance. North Carolina law requires insurance. It's a mandatory insurance state. The minimum insurance you have to have in North Carolina is $30,000 worth of coverage. Many people, unfortunately, are driving on the roads of North Carolina without insurance. This is why it is good to get as much insurance as possible. Uninsured coverage is actually fairly inexpensive, so I highly recommend you speak with an agent about that and get as much coverage as you can afford. Underinsured insurance is where you're hit by an individual with a limited policy and your injuries exceed the value of that individual's policy. Underinsured insurance is also inexpensive, and I highly suggest you talk to your agent or an insurance carrier about getting as much underinsured insurance as you can. If you have other questions about insurance, feel free to give me a call.